this is the main interface of Maps Monster, and for adding the campaign for different processes, you have to select the process from this drop down. Okay, so I'm just going to show you Map Creator. Okay, so for this you have to provide the campaign name. Okay, so that must be unique. Okay, so in the database all the campaigns must be separate, unique names. Okay, so from here you can select create from UI or create from CSV. Okay, so in the case of CSV, you have to upload the CSV, okay, which contains multiple rows, and these rows and the data of this CSV file will be added automatically to the map. And if you go for the UI, okay, so here you have to put the email, password, and the map name. Okay, so this will be used for the map title. Okay, so actually the title of map will be given this map name. Okay, so this checkbox, if you want to create from the Google Drive, okay, it will be go to Google Drive, create a folder with the name of this field area. Okay, and after that it will be create a map, and if you uncheck this, it will be directly go to maps and create a map. Okay, here you have to put the description. You can put the spun text here. Okay, this will be used for the maps description and also for the pins description. Okay, so this text will be added in the main map description and also in the description of all pins. Okay, and here you can put multiple locations. Okay, so this is actually the main text area. Okay, so all the pins will be created on the base of these locations. So, okay, suppose I'm putting here another location like London or New York. Okay, so now in this case a map will be created along with 3 pins. Okay, so this is the main thing that you have to put. Okay, so if you put here 10 locations, it will be create 10 pins. Okay, and from here you can select you want to add the image in the pin description or the video in the pin description. Okay, so for both of these you have to put the URL here. Okay, and also you can select nothing from this drop down. Okay, so here you can select how many layers you want to create. Okay, if you select 2 here, okay, and here you have to provide the map layer. Okay, so the one option is you just put a single word or single sentence for the layer. Okay, so in this in that case the single a word will be repeated for all the layers. Okay, and if you put here the spun text, okay, so in this case if you select 3, okay, so suppose for the first layer it will be take Daniel, or for the second it will be take Trout, and for third it will be take Scott. Okay, so you have to put here the spun multiple layer names. Okay, with this exactly with this format. Okay, the curly braces and a separator in here like this. Okay, so in this case it will be take multiple random layer name. Okay, and if you put here 3 map locations, so for it will for this it will be create 3 locations, and this map pin is also an optional field. Okay, so if you put nothing here, it will be create pins with the name of the locations. Okay, and if you put some text here, suppose I'm just putting same here, the spun text here, then it will be take the random name for each each pin. Okay, suppose it will be take Daniel for Dallas, and Scott for London, and Trout for New York. So if you want to rename the pin, then you have to put here text, otherwise you just keep it empty. Okay, so this is actually all the things that you want to set for maps creation.